Do you know the number one reason that borrowers get denied financing?
I would think I don't have enough revenue. I don't have credit. I'm not sure. Yeah, good question.
A lot of people would think that. A lot of people think it's revenue credit. But the reality is more than half of all applications for credit financing are denied because of fraud. So what happens is lenders are submitting applications, or your borrowers are submitting applications. Lenders oftentimes think they're fraud because the information that they're validating can't be validated. So what I mean by that is a borrower fills out an application and applies for financing. The problem is the lender is then cross-checking that against multiple different places to make sure that the applicant's real. And oftentimes a borrower has inaccurate and out-of-date information on Secretary of State, online, on their own social media pages, on their DMV, Experian, Equifax credit profile, with LexisNexis, with all these sources. So what happens in a lot of cases is they kind of get caught in this fraud trap where lenders think it's fraud because the applicant data can't be validated because what's on an application isn't the same as where it is everywhere else. That's just kind of the starting point. Business owners that don't know what their own industry code is. Most people I talk to don't even know what their NIAX code is. But, your NIAX code determines a lot of things. Lenders and credit issuers are using that solely to determine your risk, to determine if you're in an industry that's high risk, they shouldn't lend to at all, or they should give unfavorable terms to. Not having your address set up the right way, the right kind of address, your phone number, your website, your email address, not having a business license when it's looked favorably upon with lenders and credit issuers, not having your bank account set up the right way as well, not even knowing what LexisNexis is or what's on your LexisNexis credit report, which is where lenders are getting their data from. This is just kind of scratches the surface. There's over 125 of these fundability factors we found, and this is where lenders are ultimately making their decisions, or I should say, it's where their computers are making the decisions.